What to do before, during, and after a volcanic eruption.
Here's a simple guide on what to do before, during, and after a volcanic eruption. This is useful for disaster preparedness and volcanic-prone areas.
Here are some of what to do before volcanic eruption. Number 1, know if your area is near an active volcano and learn an evacuation routes. Number 2, store clean water and food supply.
Number 3, prepare an emergency kit such as water, food, flashlight, batteries, radio, and face mask.
Number 4, keep important documents in a waterproof container.
Number 5 is stay updated through news, radio, or local authorities.
We're done of what to do before. How about during?
Speaking of during, here's a safety tips and emergency safety action during volcanic eruption.
Number 1, follow evacuation orders immediately.
Number 2, stay indoors if advised. Close windows, doors, and vents.
Number 3, wear a mask or a damp cloth over your nose and mouth to avoid inhaling ash.
Number 4, avoid rivers and low-lying areas. Mudflows and lava may pass there.
5, do not drive unless necessary. Ash can block engines and reduce visibility. Remember, your safety must come first.
Oh, the eruption is over. I should go home now. Oops, remember to stay cautious. Danger may still exist.
So what should I do here?
Here are some of what to do after a volcanic eruption.
Number 1, return home only when authorities say it's safe.
Number 2, continue wearing masks while cleaning ash.
Number 3, clean ash from roofs carefully to avoid collapse.
Number 4, avoid drinking water until it is declared as safe.
Number 5, check for injuries and help others if needed.
That's all for this video. Always remember that being prepared before, during, and after a volcanic eruption can help save lives. Thank you for watching.